How to create an RMM strategy. Rebalancing Market Maker, or RMM, is a system that allows investors to automate their trades using a logic that many market makers would use. RMM automatically rebalances your portfolio to maintain a fixed ratio of assets by placing orders in advance, capturing price fluctuations by buying low and selling high. To start and create a new RMM strategy, head to Strategy on the top menu and click Create More Pair. First, navigate to the Trading Pairs list and choose your desired pair, for example BTC USDT. You will see your available BTC investment amount on the left and the available USDT investment amount on the right. Next, simply enter the desired amount of BTC and USDT that you would like to invest in this strategy. Now you will see the balance ratio is automatically calculated based on the total fund after you've entered the investment amount. This is where you can adjust the balance ratio by dragging the slider to the desired ratio. And in this example, we'll set the profile ratio as 65% BTC and 35% USDT. After you've adjusted the balance ratio, the virtual amount of BTC and USDT is applied to achieve your desired portfolio balance ratio. Keep in mind that the virtual fund is not leverage. It does not bring in liquidation risk, and this only increases the size of each order. For more detailed information, please review our RMM tutorial video. Now finally, set the threshold percentage and the number of orders on each side. Then click Launch Strategy. You will then be led to the last step, which is the confirmation page, where you can see all the details of your strategy. Once you click Confirm, you are done. Congratulations! Your RMM strategy is complete and will be launched.